So, new day, new task. Today I'm reinforcing my frame because it was some vibration. When I'm riding, I feel the vibration, so it's a frame, it's weak. So today's task is to take this panel off, open one side and put metal tube, you know, the weld another tube to the existing frame and make that whole bike frame region steady. Yes, sounds good. When I do those works, the frame gonna be steady and solid, and we're gonna go very fast. Yes, baby! Always good to have hammer with you. But sometimes it doesn't help. Very good. Oh, this is moving. Maybe this bike can fly. I'm gonna cut this cable tire off. Doggy! Go away! Muddy dog! Knocked my camera off! What's happening? Cannot see anything. My camera. What's going on? Muddy dog. What? Yeah, it's okay. Okay, let's turn off. Oh, we're back again. Just a dog knocked my camera off. Yeah, much better. Okay, no more doggies in my garage. No more doggies. Yes. Okay. There we go. This one is in cables. Yay, finally. Oh, this is salt. That and here gonna be a new part. Let's see, is it gonna be big enough? Just. Okay, very nice. Here it looks. This is wheel. I can turn left and right, and big part is here, because here is no support. When riding, it starts shaking like this. I'm gonna weld tube somewhere here, like this way and that way, and cross tube. Oh. I am moving handlebar, and as you see, the front wheel turning left to right. When you're cutting, always use safety glasses. Yes, you cut the holes for the tubes, and then gonna reinforcing my tubes. Very nice. This part going here. Very nice. So I made one more part, like this. Yeah, gonna be support of the main frame on the front of the bike. Yeah, right side, left side. This is left side frame. Yeah. this I'm gonna weld to the end of the frame. This point gonna be linked to the back wheel, so it's gonna make more steady all structure. Very nice. So this one, this tube, I weld here reducer, tube reducer. So from bigger pipe to smaller pipe. Another pipe goes here inside and gonna be small bolt. Look at my creation. Hey. I'll show you now how it's gonna fix. Coming. Very nice. Coming. Oh, good. Coming. I'm gonna stop here. And another side, same. As you can see. Looking good, yeah. Okay, cross bit. As you see, both sides is shaped. Get inside, better. Nice. Yes. Ha. Very good. I'm gonna weld another piece in the frame because the bicycle is quite long, it's more than 2 meters, and on a bigger speed it gets vibration, and it's a twisting, like back and front twisting, and start shaking the front wheel like this, and all this you start shaking, you know, it's getting resonance. So I wanna make this very strong and steady. So I'm gonna put final piece here to be 100% sure is everything done as good as possible. You see, whole frame starts from here, going like this, cross bit here, and continuous. And maybe I'm gonna start from here to the back wheel, like this, that side and that side. And this is gonna be 100% steady and rich, no any more vibration gonna be. Yeah. So, I have another job. Another job is to modify the steering wheel